Hey, what is up YouTube? This is Alex Music and Entertainment and we're back with another video. In today's video, we're gonna talk about my surprise shoutouts. Okay, so first off, we have Hazelnut Jam. She has subscribed to me for the past few days and I have to say thank you. Currently, she has 88 subscribers and I think she deserves more. Are you into mobile games like Impossible Quiz? Do you want to learn how to play it on the recorder? Then Hazelnut Jam is one YouTuber you can learn from. Please subscribe to her for mobile games and free music lessons. Okay, moving on. We have TheSmallFry 28. Do you guys collect model cars? Do you like to see them on showcases? Then check out TheSmallFry 28's channel. He has 35 subscribers and I think he deserves more. Help TheSmallFry 28 by subscribing to him. The links to these cool people are down below in the description, so go check it out. Also, Assassin Gamer 55, who is currently my shout out of the week, has recently uploaded a video saying that he has 162 subscribers. That's 162 subscribers, and he wants more. So I'll also leave the link to his channel in the description, like I always have during the past few days until the week is up, and then I'll choose a new shout out of the week. So that will do it for this video, guys. If you want a free shout out, then subscribe, like, and comment something cool down below. This is Alex Music and Entertainment. Thanks for watching.